Inside a COVID-19 ICU, challenges faced by doctors treating critically ill patients. India has reported more than 1 million coronavirus infections. After Brazil and the US, India is the third worst hit country during the pandemic. In suffocating, full protective gear inside an Indian intensive care unit with no air conditioning, Dr. Shaukat Nazir Wani is risking his life battling brutal heat and treating coronavirus patients. Almost 100 Indian doctors have died since the pandemic began, working punishingly long hours in temperatures that can top 40 degrees Celsius. Wearing this pay kit at the temperature of 40 degrees, it's very difficult, I can say, because UA. The country has some of the lowest per capita healthcare spending in the world, and poorly paid staff working in dilapidated state hospitals are highly vulnerable. Sharda Hospital has been providing free treatment to COVID-19 patients under instructions from the state government, which means facilities are basic and many patients are poor. Because there is no air conditioning, doctors and nurses are quickly drenched in sweat. Since they are enveloped head to foot in plastic protective gear, the sweat can't evaporate to cool them down. Going to the toilet means removing all the gear and then putting a new set. Some staff skimp on drinking enough water. Abhishek Deshwal, who heads the hospital's intensive care unit, said working in such heat while wearing the bodysuits was doubly stressful for the staff. But we are trying to do our best, we don't have any other option. The virus has also affected their relationships with families, and some have admitted being weighed down mentally. Dr. Shaukat Nazir Wani, for instance, has not seen his family based in Kashmir since the outbreak began in March. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.